Hello and welcome. This is my Fiverr account and I have been working in Matlab since many years. I have created various projects related to the graphical user interface, related to vehicle detection, related to object based on color classification. I have been working on ECG signals. I have published various research articles related to that. And I have been working on various assignments like Lego detection, like mathematical operation in mathematics, like live session of code creation, MATLAB script function creation, and something related to the wireless communication project, the image processing projects, and the projects that are related to signal processing projects related to control system, and some works that required some proper set of research in order to be develop code for that problem. I have worked on that and I have created various code, and you can see the buyer reviews. The buyer reviews are very satisfying. You can find various buyer reviews on their projects. They were quite satisfied with my work, and if you can assign me some tasks, I will provide you the code for that within proper time, and you will get the proper set of results for that code. You can see I have created these codes, and you can see that the codes are having a lot of comments. There are some break sections. You can see the figures quality. You can see that all figures have been labeled with title, with X, Y labels, and there are legends. You can see that each and every line of the code within the graphical user interface and other stuffs. If you look into the detail of my code, you will be quite satisfied with the work I provide to the client. Thank you so much and good luck for your time.